Project code ITIMP 13. Project title Skin Cancer Detection and Classification using Machine Learning. In this project, our aim is to detect the skin cancer or melanoma. Okay. First of all, we go for what is the skin cancer. It's, skin cancer is a type of cancer that begins in the cells of melanocytes. Okay. Normally, it is difficult to differentiate from the normal cells. See the image on the right side. Okay. The first image, the first image is a melanoma, melanoma image or skin cancer image. The second one is nevus or healthy skin. Nevus or healthy skin. Okay. Normally, see the images below the ABCDE system for melanoma detection. Okay. Here there are five steps for differentiating the normal skin from the healthy skin. Normal skin from the cancer skin. Sorry, cancer skin. Okay. First of all, uh, first of all, symmetrical. The normal skin has a symmetrical shape. The if the cancer cell have a asymmetrical shape. Normal skin have borders in even form, even format. If cancer skin has the uneven borders, then normal skin has one color. Cancer skin has multiple colors. Okay, these are the difference for differentiating the melanoma from nerves. Okay, this is a time taken process. So we are going for the MATLAB image processing techniques in order to detect the melanoma skin cancer. Okay. In existing system, they are using in existing system they are using machine learning. Sorry, deep learning. In existing system they are using deep learning. Okay. Okay, drawbacks. What is the drawbacks? If you use deep learning, it means it there is a need of advanced hardware requirements makes our system high cost, high cost. Then system is bulky and etc. Okay. In our proposed system we are using machine machine learning for the detection of machine learning for the detection of machine learning for the detection of skin cancer. Okay. If you use machine learning means uh, it takes less time. It takes less time to run. Um, easy to understand. Easy to understand. Then it works with normal hardware requirements. Makes our system low cost and user friendly. Low cost and user friendly. In existing system, they are using active contour segmentation. Active contour segmentation is nothing but the type of segmentation algorithm in order to segment the particular part particular part from the total image. Particular part from the total image. Particular part. Okay. In proposed system, we are using color conversion. That is HSV. HSV. H stands for hue, and S stands for saturation, and V stands for value. This is a type of color conversion method for predicting the skin cancer. See the block diagram. Input means to read the input image into the MATLAB. Then pre-processing means to process the input image like um, noise removal and enhancement. These techniques comes under pre-processing. Segmentation is a more important factor in image processing because more accurate segmentation means it gives accurate result. Okay, segmentation means it is a process of extracting the particular part. Here, extracting the melanoma, melanoma or news from the images. Then feature extraction indicates every images have some values because melanoma have some values and news have some values. So we have in final we have to differentiate the melanoma from nose. So we calculate the values. I already we already saw the difference, that is color, shape, dimension. These values are taken by feature extraction process. Finally, by the using of with feature extracted values, um, we make the classification whether it's a melanoma or nose. Okay, it reduces the detecting process. Reduces the detecting process. Then it is used in hospitals, manual labs, etc. Okay, in this project, we done only software. Okay, in future we connect the output of the result into hardware devices, like LCD or buzzer and etc. to make better, more accurate result. Okay, in this project we are using MATLAB 2016A version. Okay, why we are using MATLAB means it is easy to learn and easy to understand, high level programming language, and it has a lot of toolboxes to make our system make easy, made easy. If you use MATLAB means there is a 64-bit operating system is mandatory. Okay, hence our machine learning, hence our machine learning technique is going to detect the skin cancer in more advanced, and easier. Thank you.